So this is exactly how I was able to fix my Bluetooth speakers cutting out. So firstly, what I had to do is to go to my PC or your laptop here and then go to settings. On settings, go into Bluetooth and devices. And in here, I'm just going to remove that specific Bluetooth speaker here that I had connected. I'm just going to click on remove device, and then I'm just going to turn it off by clicking on the power button here, as you can see. So once it's off, I'm just going to click once again on the power button until it's going to make a sound here. Perfect. So now it's in pairing mode. I'm just going to reconnect it once again. I'm just going to make sure it focuses here. And then I'm going to click on add device and then Bluetooth, as you can see. Then click on show all devices, and here it is. This is my BPL speaker here. Actually, it's this one right here. So I'm just going to click on add device, click on Bluetooth. This one it is actually. So I'm just going to, you can see your device is ready to go. So now it's reconnected once again, which is obviously a very good sign. So now when it's reconnected, and if it still isn't working, if it's still cutting out for you, what you need to do is to make sure that the device that is connected to, so your PC or laptop, that your Bluetooth speaker is not too close to it. Sometimes when it's too close, it can be the reason why it's cutting out, just so you know. So just make sure that it's at least like 30 feet away from it or something like that, just so that it's not too close. So now what we can also do to try it out, if that still isn't working for you, is that right click on this three dots here, as you can see, or actually, sorry, we can not right click, just click on it rather. And then in here, we're going to scroll down and click on more Bluetooth settings here. Allow Bluetooth device to find this PC. So click on OK here. And then there is one more thing we need to do here as well. And that is to click on this little line pointing down here. You can see there's going to be some advanced sound properties. Click right here. And in here you can obviously adjust the volume if you want to. If you also scroll down here, there's going to be audio enhancement here. So if you click on this one, you can click, if it's off, set to device default effects here. Spatial audio or spatial sound, make sure that this one is, I have it set to off here, but yeah, that one can also sometimes fix this issue, just so you know. So try this and hopefully now it's going to be fixed for you as well.